the joys of living in the path of an airport. So I installed the cable steering. It was a 10-foot cable steering cable from Vevor. I got it on eBay in June. Cut the hole to pass through the cable. Made it a little wider so I can just push this back, get more of an arc on the cable. But it's okay because this will get encapsulated with polyester resin. So when I do that, I'll just lift it out of the boat, straighten it out, and then that way it'll not touch the sides. The switch panel will go here, right around here. Not haven't decided whether I want it vertically or horizontally, because I have a fish finder, our Garmin Striker 4, that I'm thinking about mounting it here and having it go at an angle. So the switches will be here, fish finder, 2 cup holders, or the fish finder over here away from the edge of the boat, and then a cup holder here and a cup holder somewhere else. Stop some water in the boat. It's gonna rain tonight, so I'm not really concerned about this little bit of puddle water. So after the pad dries, I'm going to clamp it with, not clamp it, I'm going to mount it on with the carriage bolts that I have for it, and then cut them to size with a cutoff wheel. What else? I need to find my hole saws. Yeah, that's what I'm contending with up there. The hole saws, so I can start passing the conduit from the helm to the bow, and from the helm to the stern. I need to find, I think I have 1.5 inch PVC that I'm going to use as a protector for the cable. And we'll figure it out. Thank you for watching Leo Built It. Please like, comment, subscribe. Sorry for the airplane.